Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable touchpad on Windows 11 or 10 PC using Registry Editor. For this, first click on the Start button and then type Registry. In the search results, click on this one Registry Editor entry to open it. In case Windows prompts, click on this one Yes button. Now all you need to copy and paste this one path from this one video description and then press enter on the keyboard. This will take you up to a status key in the left sidebar. On the right you will find enabled Regdebug. Double click on this one enabled Regdebug and you need to set here value data 1 to enable touchpad, and in case you want to disable this one touchpad you need to set the value data 0. After that click on this one OK button. Now restart your PC once to apply the changes.